to talk about doing the pinwheels.
Okay.
Oh,
We're going to do 2 at a time. So you're going to cut out 2 6.5-inch pieces of fabric. You're going to draw an X from corner to corner. And from there, you're going to sew on either side of the line. Super easy. So you just have a big old X on your fabric. But wait, there's more. We've got our X line. Now we're going to draw our line in the center vertically and horizontally.
So we're actually making 8
yes,
at a time.
So we want to square them up.
There we
so
go.
my 2.5-inch line, and I laid that right above the seam where I sewed. Just hitch or thread, or my 2.5-inch. So then I can trim it
Okay.
and iron it open. And then we're just gonna flip them over and remember what side you're gonna sew on. Magically it turns into a beautiful pinwheel.
So instead of
let's-
getting one goose, you're getting the entire flock.
Yes.
That's right.